Video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Google business profile. Welcome to my channel. I'm Alex Otto. I help people make money in the car industry. Okay, so if you're here because you want to know how to make money with cars, cheap cars, expensive cars, I got you. All right, so smash a like on this video because setting up your Google business profile is going to be at a crucial step in getting more customers and in advertising your business. All right. So without any delay, let's get right into the video. All right, so we're gonna start here, right? I used a fresh Google account because obviously I already have my Google business profile. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go on Google, you're gonna type in Google business profile. All right, boom. Google business profile, get listed on Google. You're gonna click on that, and we're gonna hit start now. All right, we're gonna walk through this step by step. All right, so I'm using an alternative business of mine here. So I'll go ahead and walk through the steps so that you guys see exactly what to do. This is completely free, by the way. It doesn't cost you a thing. Everybody, if you want to be a business owner, you need to have a Google business profile. Very important. Okay, so we're going to type in the business name. Okay, and this is a new business. So we're going to create that. We're going to hit continue. And here's the important part. Okay, too many people make the mistake here where they choose a local store. If you don't have a physical location, don't use a local store. Okay, I wouldn't even use a service business if I don't have a physical location. All right, I would use online retail. So this is an online business. You're going to hit next, and then it's going to ask you for your website. If you have a website, you type in your website. If you don't have a website, you don't type in your website. All right. So I'm going to use my website here. Okay. So this is my website. I'm going to use this and I'm going to put the website here. This is just for demonstration. It's going to ask you for the category of your business. Okay. So this is where you can state what you do. Do you do car rentals? Do you do service? Do you do consulting? Whatever your business does, you're going to put it here. Right. So I'm going to put car rental agency here and I'm going to hit next. It's going to ask you for your business address. Okay. So this in this space, you should be using your virtual address, not your home address. Okay. It's going to be a safety concern. People who Google your business will be able to see this address. So for safety reasons, we're going to use our business address. Okay. We're going to hit next. Boom. It's going to ask you, is this your business? Okay. So what it did was it pulled all of these businesses at these address. You're going to hit none of these. You're going to hit next. Okay. It's going to ask you for your contact phone number. All right. Now, in this section, you want to use some kind of business phone number that can receive text messages. Okay. So if you can't get text messages to your business phone number, don't use this. I would use the personal and then you can change it later if you want to change it later. So for this sake of the video, I'm going to skip and then we're going to hit continue. Okay. Now this is going to put your business on the map. This is very easy, ladies and gentlemen. Now it's going to ask you for the verification. We're going to do this later, but what you want to verify this because this is the number it's going to put on your profile for customers to reach out to you. Okay. So we're going to skip this step and then we're going to add our hours. All right. Whatever hours you want to put, you put the days you're open and then you put your hours, right? For the sake of this video, I'll use 24 hours. And actually for my business, we also use 24 hours, okay? And the main reason why we use 24 hours is because we work mostly on an appointment basis, right? When customers, we have to qualify them. They can't just show up and pick up cars. So we have to qualify them. So either way, they need to speak with us and send us information and then schedule the pickups, all right? So you can do that. You can hit next. And then you're going to add your business description, okay? So it's very important to be detailed here on exactly what your business does. For the sake of this video, I'm going to skip, but you want to make sure you add your business description, okay? And then you're going to put pictures of your business, all right? So for car rental business, you can put pictures of cars. You can make flyers and put pictures of the flyers up here. This is going to actually show up on your profile, right? For the sake of this video, we'll hit next. And it actually gives you a $500 advertising credit, which is pretty nice, okay? I'm going to skip that and I'm going to skip that. Okay. Now you hit continue and obviously the business isn't very visible yet because I haven't done the proper verification process. Okay. But once you do it, right, it's going to look like this and I'll show y'all my Google business profile. so that you can see it for yourself. It's going to look like this. Okay. So it highlights the areas you do business in, right? And if I hit edit profile, it shows I'm a car rental agency. This is my description, right? This is me speaking to my exact clientele, right? Do you need a car for rideshare? Reach out to us. And then the opening date, this isn't as important. I didn't put anything here. The contact information, this is how you contact the business. Our website. Here's the most important part. A lot of people don't do this. You need to add all your social media platforms to your business. Why? This will actually help you with SEO. When you have Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, if you have content that's doing well on these platforms, they might actually show up in your Google searches, especially if you have linked hashtags, descriptions, locations, things like that. Those will show up in your Google searches, okay? So very important that you link your social media platforms on here. If you don't, you're leaving a lot of marketing on the table, and all of this is free, okay? You just hit add social, and you can add all the social media platforms, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, okay? You can go crazy on this. Your business location, okay? For us, we did the online business, so we don't have a physical location, okay? So what this means is that there's no address. So people call us, right? They have to call us, and then we have to verify them, make sure they're eligible to get into our cars, and then we schedule the pickup in whatever location that we prefer, whatever is convenient to us. That's the beautiful part about this business. You can do it however that you like. If you have a physical location, you want to run it that way, you can run it that way with the brick and mortar. Okay, boom. Service area, you want to list all the cities that you service. Very important. Do not miss one. Okay, all the cities that you service. Obviously, we stuck with Maryland, and there is a limit on this, right? So you're capped at a certain amount. So just make sure that you list all the places that are nearest you and all the places that you believe will bring in the most business. Okay. And then your hours, as I told you, were 24 hours, right? And then once you have that set up, boom, you're sweet, you're good to go. What's going to happen is you have a profile. So if somebody looks up your business, they Google your business, this is a profile that will come up. They'll see your phone number. You make sure you have Google good reviews. You can advertise, you can run Google PPC ad, which is pay per click, right? PPC ads, which are actually really good. They actually help a lot, right? And you show up in the top of the Google searches once you have those ads running, which will bring a lot of business and have your phones ringing. Okay. So Google is powerful. And here's the best part. Okay. You can use this Google business profile along with your website and run search engine optimization. Search engine optimization will allow you to rank on Google organically. So what do I mean by this? Search engine optimization, it does cost money, right? You can pay someone anywhere from $50 to $100 a month, and they will help build authority over time for your website. So that if somebody in your city Google's car rentals near me, you will show up in the first page. Once you're in the first page, you're good. Now, you want to show up as high as possible. You should be in the top 3. Once you're in the top 3, you're going to be the top 3 to go in your city each time somebody is looking for a car rental. You want that. That's how you build a sustainable demand for your product and service. Okay. So SEO is powerful and SEO is long lasting. If you don't have SEO, you're kind of living on hope. Okay. Most people, when they need something, they go on Google, right? Most people search on the internet when they want something. And couple this with social media, you will consistently get business. So it's very important that you have this set up properly. Okay. Now, if you want to learn how to start and scale your private car rental business, make sure you click the link in my bio to join the Facebook group. Okay. If you like this video and it helped you set up your Google business profile, smash a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. We do these videos all the time. Let's go.